Evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary with 4 stars in the puzzle page of Saturday, September the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved in this puzzle page 2 puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in this one. It's the binary. It's binary time. Yes. And unfortunately, in the weekend edition, we have no extra puzzles for tomorrow. So only the samurai Sudoku for tomorrow. Anyway, this will be number 9313. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits, yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 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 Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes, oh wait, double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O in the last column here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between 2 O's comes in a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again without comparing this one. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.